Tigana nayo ni gotoko genda se county ya Nyamira awase kina kyabakagerwa boboitibwe ya mateye masensemo ya Nyamakoroto kegendrete gotegererwa ase ekigambiro ekenene kya Nyamira uswo munachie bina Winfrida okwanyi ni gabeire ka gotuguterare amaganio yoko bwato kwa bakagerwa bo ase bond nabo igo ekina kyabo koretwa ase county ya Kisii yenda tebire buna chisinyencho gose chisababu nchiyo chisaine cyo koleta ekine kya se county ya Kisii nagokana okobwato kwa bakagerwa wase bond askeri agoteba buna nokobeka magimabo asa kongu gekogera nigo abananchi babwato bororo bonge abara baseko imukiye getambukero ase amabokabo muri kitkorwa ase county ya Nyamira job manki norbotyuro
aseke gambero ekenene kya Nyamira busibo munachi ekina Winfrida okwanyi nigo chinsemo chonsi chaikerana asoba tegererwa wekina igoroyogo icho kwa banchi babere ense Nyamakoroto Edward na Grace Morema asomunachi ekina alekorwa okonacha igoroyoko bwato kwa bakagerwa abanene asekinekyo Ezekiel Mugeni Paris Ondara Dennis Ondara na Peter Njoroge nabo igo asale korwa okonacha igorego sukiwa wekina ekyo uchiase koti ya Kisii.
I have carefully considered the application for bond and the objection made by counsel for the victims and the state. I've also considered the prayer for the transfer of the case to Kisii High Court.
Asomunachi ekina atuguterare amasabo yokuganya ekine ekigosukiwa uchiase koti ya Kisii na gotea bachisababu cha rwetwe nje isaine.
Regarding the application to transfer the case to Kisii High Court, I note that while this court has powers to make such an order, the prayer must be supported by cogent reasons in the instant case, besides the claim that there is closeness of the court to the scene of the crime, such that certain challenges may be experienced. The nature of the said challenges was not disclosed. So I am therefore not persuaded that the accused persons have made out a case for the transfer of the case to Kisii High Court. I decline to grant the order for transfer.
Natuguterare amasabo yokuganya kubwato kwa bakagero batatu Ezekiel Mugeni, Dennis Ondara na Peter Njoroge ase bond.
In the present case, I am satisfied that the reasons advanced by the prosecution as contained in the sworn affidavits of the investigating officer Sergeant Elkana Mogire and the affidavit of Cliff Matundura Morema indicate that the first, third, and fourth accused persons are repeat offenders whose criminal cases are still pending in other courts. So having regard to the findings and observations made in this ruling, I am of the view that it will not be in the interest of justice to grant the first, third, and fourth accused bond at this stage of the proceedings.
Yoko bwatuko kumukagerwa oyomo Paris Ondara na chikoro okonacha amotuko abosio.
As concerns the second accused, it is not clear if the affidavit of Cliff Morema was served upon her advocate for their attention and response. Be that as it may, I will grant counsel for the second accused an opportunity to respond to the said affidavit before a final order can be made on whether or not she is to be released on bond. In this regard, I will also direct the probation officer to prepare and file a prebail report in respect to the second accused before the next mentioned date.
Nigeki ne kugera chigwatorwa chitariki emerongo ebere chomotienyi oyo.
Mention the case on 22nd of this month, by which time I expect to have received the probation officer's report as concerns the second accused and her advocate's response to the affidavit of Mr. Cliff Morema.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwa sekigambero ekenene kya Nyamira job maangi.